Hello, my name is Brandy. I agreed to help an old military buddy of my father's to start a YouTube channel. AI is not something that I have worked with in the past. I played with some of my father's programs as a child. CAD, AutoCAD, CGI, one of my father's PC games you could generate things to add to the game. In this episode, I will talk about generating an image with AI. I didn't think this would be difficult. After all, there are lots of videos telling people can do this in 5 minutes with no experience. It is a simple process for the user. The cues for creating an image are not too long. There are many AI apps to try. Search Google for free. AI text to image. I didn't use any of the apps that required a download. I only used apps that I could sign into with Google. There are many videos available that show how each app's desktop is set up. Before we get into generating images, you will want to get organized. I start by creating a folder with the project name. For this project, the file name is AI101 Images. In this folder, I create a folder named Images. This is where I will put the images. I generate that look good at first glance. When I get 10 images saved, I look them over more closely. The one I choose to start a video with, I copy and paste it in the AI101 Images folder. I may change the prompt also after a few tries. In my images for this video, I started with this prompt. Generate a 3D Pixar-style animated image of an Asian American female wearing a black shirt, blue jeans, and a smartwatch. She is sitting at an IT desk doing a podcast. After the first 4 images, I add to the prompt that she has long black hair. After 3 images, I added to the prompt that her hair is in a ponytail. There's another reason why I save so many images. Sometimes the image won't make the video. This is one of several times this happened. The first scene was 2 military males going to a movie theater. It took a lot of tries to get 2 guys that looked like military. I could not get one of the 10 images to generate a video of them walking into the theater. I generated more images and saved 5. Out of these 5 images, only 1 would generate a video of them walking into the movie theater. In the next scene, the 2 men went to the snack bar. I generated images of a movie theater snack bar. Used a background removal tool to remove the 2 guys from the original image. Pasted them entering the snack bar. Again, not one of the images would generate the video of them walking up to the snack bar. Starting with my best image, as you can see, AI can't spell, even though my prompt told AI what to put on the menus. I thought I would remove someone from the counter so I could start with the 2 guys there. I started trying to remove people, which didn't work. I prompted for the couple holding hands to receive their order and exit the frame. It was blocked for safety reason. I tried several times, prompting the family to receive their order and exit. Again, it was blocked for safety reasons. This AI app had a chat to talk to the AI. After being told several times that AI understood my frustration, what it boiled down to was a man leaving with a woman, or a man and woman leaving with their children. AI saw a potential risk for kidnapping or abduction. I got lucky. I remembered that in one attempt to remove specific people, AI removed everyone. I found the image and pasted the 2 guys in the image. A simple prompt: generate a video of the 2 men walking up to the snack bar to place an order. A woman appeared to take their order. Trying to finish the video, things really got weird. I'll get into that in my AI 101 video episode. Sometimes, if you talk to the AI, it helps. As you noticed, AI has trouble spelling. It also has trouble maintaining letters. I prompted AI to remove the letters from the front of Shaman's ball cap. Things changed, but not what I prompted. After several attempts, I asked AI if it could do this. Of course, AI replied and did the same thing as before I asked. On the 4th or 5th try, AI cut off the top of Shaman's head. I asked AI if it was mad at me. It took a while for the replay. Why, what do you mean? I thought it would be as simple to remove the letters as it was to add the letters. All attempts have failed. Now you chopped off the top of the guy's head. AI apologized and in about 30 seconds removed the letters only from the front of Shaman's hat. All of these AI generators are about the same, just a different working screen. I am using a PC to do this. I can't imagine trying to do it on a cell phone. There are videos that show specific app dashboards. Try different AI generators. There are many different styles of images you can create. I mainly use 3D Pixar style. Shaman is photorealistic. Before you sign into an app, here's a tip. Try using the app without signing in. Some will allow you to try the app and ask you to sign in when you want to download the image. This can save you credits tokens or magic beans they use to control your use. Some regenerate after 24 hours, some it takes a month, some are a one-time trial. There are some, for example, that give you 50 credits to try, but it takes 200 credits to do a text-to-image. They want you to log in every day to get a couple credits each day. I have found it best to delete my account when done. Sign out if that's all they offer. You are going to get a lot of spam emails. In theory, it is not complicated. In practice, it is frustrating. My next episode will be about my experiences generating an image to video. Again, simple in theory, but this will really test your patience. Please keep watching for a short message from Shaman. I'll see you soon.
Pura Vida, Shaman here on duty at the Shore Patrol Shack. Hopefully the content of my videos will make up for the presentation. This was created with free trial apps. Unfortunately, I have worn out my welcome on many free apps. I'm retired and living on a fixed income, and I can't really afford them. It takes several different apps to complete a video. Most of them offer a gift card. I would prefer to use a gift card before agreeing to a subscription. If you found any entertainment or information value in my work, please make a donation or contact me for a list of gift cards to help me get the paid apps to do a better job and continue. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm just getting started with this, so your input is important to me. Thanks for watching, and visit my channel for more episodes from the Shore Patrol crew. Until next time, Shaman out.